All right, so hello students. This is a tutorial for week 5. So while you guys are waiting for the group discussion number 2, you're expected to work on something, which was I want you to look at entry log number 3 of a classmate. Okay, so you were supposed to exchange their name, okay, or to take a classmate's name in class. And now what I want you to do with this is that I want you to look at the entry log number 3 of this student. So you have to send your classmate your individual's Google Doc, your link, okay, and he or she's going to send you his or hers, okay. And what you have to do after that, I want you to correct. I want you to look at the structure of the of your classmates' Google Doc, okay. I don't want you to correct the grammar mistakes, the spelling mistakes, or the syntax mistakes, etc. No, I just want you to look at the structure. Okay. So let's say this is the professor's Google Doc. I just want to show you how it's done. So you read blah 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 blah, and I don't want you to delete or erase elements on the Google Doc. No. What you do is that you just click here. For example, this is a Google Doc. You can go and insert comments. And then you're going to have a comment there, and then you can just write blah, 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 blah. And you write your comments over there, right? So this is what I want you to do for today, cancel, okay? So if I go here, now this is what you have, this is what is available on Leia right now. Okay, so you watch this tutorial, which is the one, and then after that, second, send your individual Google Doc to a classmate so he or she can correct and comment on your entry log number 3. Here's what I expect. So be constructive, be positive. Okay, I'll always try. Don't bother with the grammar. I just want you to focus on the structure. Intro. Does it have all the elements? Attention getter, transition, thesis, yes or no? Does the thesis have all the elements? Topic, claim, reason. We've talked about this in week 4, right? Body paragraph. Does the body paragraph have all the elements? No. Does it have a topic, sentence, argument, supporting details, or evidence, concluding sentence? Yes or no? Does the topic sentence have all the elements? Topic, point of view, controlling idea. Does the concluding idea respect the structure seen in class? So it reinforces what the paragraph is about. It has a connection with the second body paragraph. And this is also an element that I want you to focus on. Is there consistency between the thesis statement and the topic sentence? Is there consistency between the topic sentence and the body paragraph? Is there consistency between the thesis statement and what the paragraph is about? So is this one smooth, fluent reading where everything is consistent and there's again there's the structure is proper and it follows what was taught in class? Okay. This doesn't count. I just want you to reflect on what you have to do, because this structure is what you'll have to accomplish for written production number 1. Hopefully it helps. We'll see in class. Okay. We'll see after that what you have to say about it. At the end of your entry log number 3 of your classmate, write your names so the teacher, which is me, knows who did the peer evaluation. So I just want to know who did the peer evaluation. All right. Good luck.